Good morning guys, it's the day 2. We are going to our one day tour to the Highlands and we are waiting for the bus now. And हमारा pickup is in the city center. वहाँ से हमारा pickup होगा exact 8 o'clock को and 8:15 को departure है. I'm quite excited actually. 7:45 and it's still so dark. So there are a lot of one-day Highland tours that you can book from Edinburgh, but in this video I'm going to be giving you a detailed review of this tour that we booked through Stuart Tours. So it was a 12-hour trip. There were a lot of tourists with us on the bus. A pro tip, by the way, is come a bit early so you can get good seats in the bus. So the tour guide, who was also the driver, played a lot of Scottish music on the way.
You know, someone who can take the throne after her death. Icy.
So on the mountain you can see the castle of Stirling, which is quite popular. Along the way, the guide showed us a lot of small places, especially which are significant in movies and TV shows.
Has anyone seen a show called Game of Thrones? Anyone seen a show called Outlander? One or two. Okay, so Doon Castle was used in both of those shows. Monarch.
So this is our first stop, and here there are Highland Scottish moose. यहाँ पे basically you can grab breakfast, coffee. There's also like a small gift shop. So we are 1 hour-ish into the trip. यहाँ पे 30 minute का break है. यहाँ पे toilets वगैरह भी हैं. So we're gonna get freshen up. You can also feed them, like 1 pound का खाना मिलता है यहाँ पे and you can feed them and feed करोगे तो actually वो बहुत अच्छे से देखते हैं हमारे तरफ, but I'm too scared to feed them. It's very cold and मेरा jacket मम्मी बस में लेके बैठ गई है. We are gonna leave in like 30 minutes. In the meantime मैं एक बार gift shop का round लेके आ जाती हूँ. After a nice 30 minutes of break, we hopped back into the bus, and from this point onwards, the real Highland starts. We saw really beautiful landscapes, you know, especially the trees. It just felt so magical. All of them were so perfect. It was a long bus ride, so I actually slept, took a little mini nap, and when I woke up to this view. It was so beautiful. It was a really nice mountain and there was fog and clouds on it. It looked really pretty. So I don't really watch English movies that much, but this is one of the locations where James Bond was shot, and there's also a song that is shot here. So the tour guide was so amazing. He was playing the song that was shot here.
Whatever else you do on snow. But when we do it, you can go skiing up there. There's a chairlift take you up the side of the mountain.
And here part of Sherlock Holmes was shot. So this is the spot too.
It's here on the left hand side, you can't see it yet, but there's another glen. So a glen, folks, is just a valley. That's what it means, it's a Gaelic word for valley. So in this glen coming up, this is where they filmed scenes for the Quidditch World Cup. So you remember Quidditch? That's where they all flew about on their broomsticks chasing, what was it, about 5? In the loch there are some islands. The one that's kind of furthest over to the left with a lot of trees on appears to be the biggest of the islands. That is where they buried the dead of those who were killed at the Glencoe massacre.
So we have got off at Fort Williams. So यहाँ से basically the Hogwarts Express यहाँ से ही जाती है, and that is the next spot that we will also cover. So this is where Hogwarts Express leaves from. अभी actually हम लोग का lunch break है, so 1 hour we're gonna just be here. have reached Glenfinnan. यहाँ से व्यू पॉइंट है हॉगवर्ट्स एक्सप्रेस का. So there are 2 व्यू पॉइंट्स. One is this one. तो यहाँ से थोड़ा सा चढ़ के ऊपर जाना है हिल पे, एंड देन इफ़ यू डोंट वांट टू क्लाइंब देयर इज़ अनदर वन हियर. एंड वो साइड है कुछ मॉन्यूमेंट विच वी विल सी शॉर्टली. सो नाउ इट्स 2 PM एंड 3:20 के बीच में ट्रेन स्पॉट होने वाली है. सो अभी हम लोग दूसरे साइड जा रहे हैं देखने, एंड देन विल कम बैक दिस साइड. The tour guide is actually very nice, very energetic. जो हमें आते वक्त पूरे टाइम he was telling a lot of stories about Queen Mary and a lot of kings and queens who were based in Scotland. Got to know a lot about the history of Scotland, also about England. I think overall the tour is really nice. It's just that it's a bit hectic बिकॉज हम कल भी बहुत अर्ली मॉर्निंग आए थे एंड आज भी बहुत अर्ली मॉर्निंग निकले. लुक एट दिस व्यू गाइस, लुक एट दिस, सो ब्यूटिफुल. प्लस ये देखो मतलब जो एक ट्रीज होती है ना, क्रिसमस ट्री वाली, थोड़ी हवा चल रही है बट वो जो क्रिसमस ट्रीज वाली ट्री होती है यहाँ पे वो हर जगह से भरी हुई है. जस्ट लुक सो प्रिटी. Can you see people up there? So we're gonna go there to watch the view of the train. So we are climbing up to see the Hogwarts Express view. ज़्यादा climb नहीं है, थोड़ा सा ही है. So I guess a little bit from here and then ऊपर चढ़ के जाना होगा. So if you're coming here, I would recommend ऊपर जाके view देखो, because ऊपर से you can also see the lake that we went to, and ऑफ कोर्स ट्रेन का व्यू भी दोनों मिल जाएगा. एंड नीचे वाले में जाओगे तो सिर्फ ट्रेन है. In Scotland you see such picture perfect sceneries. Look at that small house in between the trees. It looks so nice. Literally 1 hour wait, yes, वो ट्रेन देखने के लिए, but it was worth the wait. It was amazing. Look at the lock. नहीं, पहले क्या बोल रहे थे? पहले क्या बोलते? Lock. Well, the last destination was the small village which is popular for its Scottish whiskey flavored ice cream. They also have other 9 flavors, so I took my favorite chocolate. Lastly, I want to mention that I booked this tour through TripAdvisor, and if you want to make a booking, you'll find all the information in the description box below. And that's it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Until then, take care and bye.